What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you how to do an air filter change on an Audi Q5. It's pretty simple to do. Anyone with the right tools can do this. So it's like, I think the torque screws, that's 1 2 3, I think there's one there, two, about 5 6 screws is all that it takes. So this is a Q5 29, sorry, 2009. So I think that goes from 8 to 12 or 8 to 17, I'm not fully sure, but the principle is all the same, and air filter change is pretty simple. I'll show you guys what to do. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove 1 2 3, there's one back there, 4, there's 1 5. We will need to remove this pipe, and there's one there, that's 6 screws plus this, and I may need to take this sensor off as well. We will have a look. got my got my ratchet, the Alexander, will need that, and I've got a T25. So we just undo. There we go, even longer. That's taken off. So the screws just stay there, they won't come out, so that's fine. Just put that there because we don't need to actually remove that. If you wanted to remove it, there's torque screw to it there, this would come out, but we don't need it. We just need to leave that there. Here's the air filter. It's in reasonable condition, but because I bought the car which had some issues, I've just decided to, for 10 quid worth, I might as well just get it changed. Got a brand new injector, brand new filter. Here we got new injector in place. Just push it in. Cost that. There we go. Covers back on. All we do now is tighten the box. Just know what to do. And tighten. There we go. That's it. And that's it guys, the air filter is done. So this was an air filter for the Q5 guys, and like I said, for most cars it's more or less the same situation, different screws, different sizes, stuff like that, but it's pretty simple to do. You just need the right tools guys, and you can do this yourself. It's not rocket science. Hopefully someone can use this video and do one themselves. This is basically, this is the air filter. I will also be changing the pollen or cabin filter as well as the fuel filter on this Q5, and if you want to see how to do that, there will be other videos on there as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you on another one. Bye.